I think colleges are basically for fun and to prove you can do your chores, but they're not for learning.
Strong words from Elon Musk, right? And while quitting college is a bold statement, what if I told you the tools to get a world-class education, often for free, are already at your fingertips, potentially teaching you better than many traditional lectures? Let's start with a giant. You want Ivy League quality? Harvard University, like many top institutions, offers a massive catalog of online courses, and many are completely free. Look at this. We filtered for free introductory computer science courses available right now, cybersecurity, databases, machine learning, all from Harvard, all structured. This is already incredible, right? But what if you need something more personalized or want to dive into your own study materials? That's where tools like Google's NotebookLM come in. This isn't just about consuming pre-made content, it's about creating a learning environment from your sources. I've just uploaded a bunch of my old engineering exam papers. Now, I can ask NotebookLM to teach me the basics of control systems based on these exact documents. It synthesizes the information, gives me summaries, and even points to where it found the info in my sources. Want an audio summary of your notes? Done. Need it in a different language? Potentially. This is like having a research assistant who's read all your material. Okay, personalized study is powerful. But what if you want to learn a new subject from scratch, or even create a course for others? Meet Learning Studio AI. This is mind-blowing. I just told it I want an introductory course on the fundamentals of machine learning. And boom! In a couple of minutes, it generates an entire course structure. Overview, key algorithms, resources, practice exercises, even a quiz. You can edit it, share it, and even download it as a SCORM package for any learning management system. Imagine building learning paths this quickly. Need to go deeper and get a well-sourced overview of a complex topic. Fast. Perplexity AI is your go-to. It's like a search engine that gives you answers, not just links, and cites its sources. I'm asking about the fundamentals of machine learning. Perplexity scans the web, reads multiple articles, and then synthesizes a comprehensive answer, complete with citations. You can see exactly where the information came from. This is invaluable for quickly grasping new concepts and finding credible starting points for your research. And of course, we can't forget ChatGPT. It's the versatile AI that can explain concepts, help you brainstorm, summarize text, and even help you practice by asking you questions. Here, I'm asking it for the same thing. ChatGPT provides a well-structured breakdown. It's fantastic for iterative learning. Ask a question, get an answer, ask a follow-up, refine your understanding. It's like having a knowledgeable study buddy available 24/7. But what if you need to go to the absolute source, the cutting-edge research papers? For that, there's arxiv.org, run by Cornell University. This is where researchers publish their latest preprint papers in fields like physics, math, and computer science. If you want to know what's happening right now in machine learning, before it even hits textbooks or most courses, this is the place. It's dense, it's technical, but it's the frontier. So, back to Elon's statement and our title. Can these AI tools replace college? For some, maybe. They offer incredible access to information and personalized learning paths, Harvard-level courses for free, AI tutors, instant course creation, deep research capabilities. It's an educational revolution. But, and this is a big but, what college also provides, ideally, is discipline, structure, accountability, peer collaboration, mentorship, and the development of critical thinking through debate and guidance. These AI tools are powerful amplifiers of your intent. If you have the discipline and the curiosity, they can take you incredibly far, perhaps even further and faster than some traditional routes. So, should you quit college? That's a personal decision. But should you be using these AI tools to supercharge your learning, whether you're in college or not? Absolutely. The power to learn anything is increasingly in your hands. What AI tools are you using for learning? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more ways to level up your skills. See ya!